In this video, we will review the installation process for the 24-inch storage InWall. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an electric drill, a 3/8" drill bit, a countersink, 4 No. 8 by 2.5" flathead screws, and a level. When planning the rough opening, it is critical to measure from the installed finished floor, or account for its eventual depth if it is not yet installed. Before inserting the unit, countersink the 4 pre-drilled mounting holes on the cabinet insides. Dry fit the unit in the rough opening to confirm the faces evenly flush against the wall. While holding the unit flush to the wall, check that it is level. Secure the raised side to the studs with 2 No. 8 by 2.5" flathead screws. Then secure the other side with the remaining 2 screws, and reconfirm that the unit is level. Please visit the 24-inch storage InWall section of our website to download the full install manual.